I'm going to be showing you how to sign up for Shopify's free trial and what you'll get access to when you sign up, and how to extend it from the 3-day free trial to 90 days for just $1 a month. If we look at the top of the address bar, you can see the address to this free trial on screen right now. To start, make sure you use the exclusive link on screen or down in the video description below. That's how you can actually sign up for the free trial and get the $1 a month deal, and follow along step by step to see how you can make the most out of it. Make sure to use the link down below though, because if you sign up without it, you won't get access to the promotion or the free trial. When you click on the link, you'll be greeted by this Shopify free trial page. All you do is just enter your email in the box and then click on the next button to get started. Just a heads up though, this offer is actually only available for new Shopify accounts, but if you've either already used the trial in the past, or if you've created a new store without the offer and you've signed up already to Shopify, you can actually access it by signing up with a new email using the link down below to get all the perks of the free experience. So I'm going to enter my email and password to sign up and press next, and from here it's going to come up with a screen asking you to actually subscribe. Now this screen is going to allow you to subscribe straight away and access the 3-day free trial, but you don't actually need to subscribe or select a plan or even enter in your card information at this stage. This is because this will lock you into the most basic plan. If you're interested to try out a higher tier plan, I'd recommend clicking skip. So for now we're going to click skip, but if you want to lock in straight away, you can enter your information here. Now after you've entered in your email and password, and you've either entered in your card information or you've skipped, Shopify will ask you to answer a few basic questions to get started. You can answer these based on the vision you have for your store or your brand, but if you don't know yet and you just want to test out Shopify and all of its features, you can also click I'll do this later to skip this step too. You can rest easy that if you do skip answering these questions, it will not affect your store setup in any way or any negative way. But for an example, if you know what you're doing, perhaps you're just selling digital products, or if you're dropshipping, or doing both, or if you're selling in a physical store, just select the options what you need, and then from here you can also give your store a name. Yet again, if you don't know what name you're going to call your store and you haven't gone through the ideation process, you can also press I'll do this later or continue. Just select whatever you feel comfortable with. Now after you've done this, it will actually greet you with a Shopify dashboard. From here you can see all the key information on screen that we need to get started. Now you'll see down in the bottom left corner, you'll actually see this little tag which says how many days left you have in your 3-day free trial, as well as allowing you to actually lock in to a paid plan. So when you want to redeem the $1 a month offer after the end of your trial, you always know where you stand and you always have the option to do so. Now you may feel overwhelmed when you go to the dashboard. In fact, you actually have an AI sidekick now that you can ask any question if you're struggling. So you can ask it how dropshipping works, what print on demand is if you want to make t-shirts, help you to find a product to sell, help you to get started, or help you to even generate a business idea. So you have your own AI co-pilot you can ask any questions within Shopify. So it's easy to get started. You also have a bunch of tutorials on dropshipping basics, exploring apps to allow you to sell clothing, and also just create your own products manually. There's also some product suggestions for menswear, women's wear, electronics, and a few other niches and categories you can take a look at too. So if you just need some inspiration, everything's on the dashboard for you. So from here, it's time to start exploring Shopify. You can try actually clicking on the online store here and clicking on edit theme to start customizing your theme and actually getting used to building out the website. Before paying for a plan, you can familiarize yourself with the Shopify theme designer. From the left hand side, you can add different blocks to add different features to your website. So for an example, I could select my header, I could click on explore free images and click on any of the categories, and if I was running a clothing store, we could select this image of this lady right here, and now we have an image for our header. We can also click on the text here and customize it and type in anything relevant in the heading as well. If you click on a button, you can change the link to where it goes to any of your products. I could just click on all products, so this button will send the viewer to all my products on the store, and you can also click on the featured collections and change which collections displayed. All of these will make more sense to you as you try out the website builder more and you learn all of the quirks to it. Remember, on the right hand side, whenever you select an element, it will actually allow you to ask questions about it in the AI to get some help on how it works. So you have a sidekick running in the side to basically help you learn how the Shopify system works. You can also click on products and try creating and uploading some new products by clicking on add product, or below you can click on discover products to sell, just like what we saw in the dashboard before. If we press on add product, this will allow us to add a brand new product to our store. So we could type in the product title, we could type in the description of the product, you could type in the category of the product, and also the selling price of the product. Remember, if you do have dropshipping or a supplier set up later, you can type in the cost of goods that it costs you to ship the product in the cost section. And also if you track in inventory, you can edit information here, or if you're dropshipping, you can turn this off. And if you click on upload new on media, you can upload an image for your product if you already have one, and then we can press save, and we've created our first product. If we click on collections here, we can now organize the products into new collections. To create a custom collection, just click on add collection over here, and we can enter the category name for the collection. So we could put t-shirts again, we could enter the description, and then from here for collection items, you can press add product, and we can add our product we just made into this collection, and we can press save. There's some other options which you can take a look at too, which you may want to actually select. As well as this, you might want to browse the Shopify App Store. You can click on apps over here and then click on all recommended apps. You can view a few app recommendations, but you can also click on discover more in the Shopify App Store, where you can search for new apps, or you can take a look at the suggestions over here, which allows you to see what extra tools that you can use to help your new store grow. I recommend as a beginner to install the apps made by Shopify, because most of these apps are completely free for you to use and they keep your costs really low. There's some great free alternatives made by Shopify for people who can't afford the expensive subscription costs of extra apps. So if you don't have much of a budget, you can run your Shopify store for really cheap with the 3-day free trial, the $1 a month offer, and also free apps by Shopify. These are the most basic things you need to set up in order to start and launch your new Shopify store. Now, when you're ready to make your store go live and share it with the public, you're going to need to select a plan. So in the bottom left corner of the screen, we can click on select plan now if you haven't chosen already. Now, it may be confusing for you on screen right now because my currency is in Great British Pounds, GBP. That's because I'm originally from England. But if you're from America, your currency will be in US dollars. Or if you're from Europe, for an example, it will be in euros, etc. Right now, the $1 per month offer for the first 3 months is a great way to try things out with no upfront cost and no risk whatsoever. The trial will be £1 per month if you're from the UK, €1 per month from Europe, $1 per month if you're American or Canadian, etc. This offer is available in many countries worldwide. It's important to mention too is that they're not going to actually charge you the $1 until the 3-day free trial actually ends. So you can try things out without even being locked into the cheap offer. And then you're really just paying $1 to keep things going, which kind of feels like a free extension. This offer is especially good, especially when the Shopify Advanced plan is usually nearly $300. This means that if you select the Advanced plan during your 3-day trial, during your 3 months of paying only $1, you're getting so many benefits for literally the lowest price. It's important to look at all the perks and benefits for each plan and compare them against what you're looking for and what your budget will actually allow after the trial and offer ends. You can actually scroll down here to actually allow you to compare plans over here, to compare all the features in this big grid list, and you can also click on only show differences to see the differences between them. One of the big benefits about paying for a higher plan is when you are starting to sell a lot of products, you also get access to cheaper rates with card transactions, meaning you'll actually save a lot of money, which will make the plan worth it. However, I actually recommend most beginners to select the basic plan to actually start out with, because it actually covers the essential features that you need to actually start out with your store, manage it, and launch it to the public without overwhelming you with any of the extras that you may need later. I made a lot of money on Shopify and I only had the most basic plan, so it's all you really need. So when you've decided on the plan you want to choose, click on the plan, pressing the select button, and this will allow you to enter in your card details or pay with a trusted payment method such as PayPal or Google Pay. So I've entered my payment method and you can see I'm signed up in July, and on August the 1st, which is in around 3 days now from recording this video, I'll pay my first $1 a month. And then in October, when the 3-month month ends, I'll pay the maximum price of around $30 on the basic plan. So this will lead you to your plan screen. From here, you can actually cancel your plan later if you choose to do so, which is located in the plan section of your Shopify settings. You access the Shopify settings by clicking the settings button in the bottom left corner of the screen. Now, when you've chosen a plan and your store is actually active and you started your free trial and selected a plan, click on your online store button here on the left, and you want to click on preferences next. From here, you can enter a password in for your store, and you can also turn off the password protection on your store to unrestrict access to visitors. To unlock your store to the public, just press save, and then if you want to preview your store, click on your online store and press view your online store, and that's all it takes, and now you're live for the world to see with your new website. And that's a wrap on this quick Shopify sign up tutorial walkthrough. If you're ready to get started with Shopify and you want to test it out or you want to start a store, make sure to use the link to the sign up on screen right now or in the video description down below to get started with your free trial and access the $1 a month offer for the first 3 months. Plus, you can also check out our learning platform Ecom OS, which is also linked on screen right now and in the video description down below too, for a full beginning to advanced course, for a setup guide and how to use Shopify and make money online with e-commerce. There's a whole bunch of learning modules in here for you to use. Each of them has a video and learning resources to teach you how to get started with Shopify and make money online with e-commerce, as well as a bunch of other cool perks and tools with the software in one subscription. And if you also need extra one-on-one help, you can actually message me on Instagram at the Blue Crusader. Just DM me the word start for one-on-one coaching if you're serious about making money with e-commerce and dropshipping online, or if you need any help with Shopify. I've done over 7 figures, around $1.5 million in revenue across both of my branded dropshipping stores with e-commerce online, so you're in good hands to learn from me. All useful links for this video will be on screen and linked in the video description down below for you to check out. Make sure to use the Shopify free trial link though while it lasts, because recently I heard that Shopify might be closing this offer real soon and potentially considering ending that promotion. So if you don't want to pay full price and you've been considering trying out Shopify and seeing what all the hype is about, make sure to actually use that link while it's still available. If you have any questions about the topics in this video or for general Shopify or e-commerce, make sure to ask them in the comments down below the video. I check out all the comments and I'd be happy to help you out. And if you want to see more helpful videos for Shopify and e-commerce, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel so I can keep making free videos for you, and check out the learning resources linked below. Now I'm going to leave you 2 more e-commerce videos on screen right now to help you with your e-com and dropshipping journey on Shopify, so make sure to watch those next if you want to become a master. See you in the next one.